Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I have a small issue. I've got to confess that I love this moving sand art piece so much that I'm having trouble doing anything else in my day except watching it over and over and over again. It brings me a sense of peace and calmness and adds not only a conversation piece, but also some elegant style to my home. I am very impressed by the quality. I have this sitting in my hallway where it's been getting bumped and touched and shaken, and it hasn't fallen off its stand or shown any signs of bumps or bruises. It comes with a small syringe so that you can personally take out or add air bubbles to get the design that you'd like and to adjust the length of time it takes before it needs reset. It comes in 6 different colors, so you're sure to find the color that matches your decor. I chose the black and I love the little gold flakes. It just adds a little shimmer to an already beautiful landscape scene. Like I said before, I have this in my hallway right now and I'm still trying to find a permanent home for it. I want to show it off to all my company and put it in my entryway, but I also want it in my bedroom so that I can watch it as I fall asleep. So if you're looking for a beautiful art piece that brings an ever-changing, peaceful, and elegant vibe to your home, then I highly recommend this moving sand art piece.
And that's my point of view.